I'm gonna make this short and sweet. Arm's gone. I blew it up. I just posted that video of it riding, but if you can see from the title, it took me a long time to upload it because YouTube would not let me for some reason. It just wouldn't upload. Okay, so this is a 2016 Honda 150 RB with it was locked up. I got it freed, and then it keeps locking back and forth. I can get it unstuck, and then it'll lock right back up. And the second I do a rotation, it needs a new crank, which I already have a new one. Let's see, the bearings in the crank are like, they have a bunch of flat spots in them, so it keeps getting stuck. And I just bought a whole new crank. I probably could have just bought bearings, but you know, I really just wanted to solidify it. It's in pieces right now, as you can see. I'm getting ready. I mean, the motors, as you can see, it's ready to come out. I just gotta pull the wires off. I'm not doing it tonight, it's too cold. Here's the other half of the bike, and then plastics are over here, the box of parts, gas tank. It really, as far as I know, it just needed the crank, and then grips. I have brand new grips right there, you can see them. But yeah, this is what's happening now. I wish I could have got more videos out of the RM, but my GoPro mount on my helmet broke off, and I also sold my GoPro, so yeah, that's about it. This is the new bike. Hopefully I get this done when it's warm, and I get my GoPro mount fixed, and I'll use my dad's GoPro because we had two. Then I'll get a video out of me riding it. Then honestly, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this one because I do want a 250, but you know, an 04 to a 2016, I couldn't pass up the deal. But yeah, I will see you guys when it's, well, I don't know, I might make a video of me of me rebuilding it. I'm not sure yet. I don't want to see everybody see my mess up, so probably not. But yep, new bike. Thank you for watching.